Alright guys, what's going on? I was MIA for a little bit. Life gets crazy, you know how it is. But I had to put this video out for you guys. This is a serious time in XRP. This could be the final flush that we're looking at right here before the major pump that's about to come on this next leg.
Hey, yo!
Up to around $10-ish. Then it's going to consolidate, then push up to maybe $22 to $30. Guys, this is serious. This is life-changing right here. Let me show you my TA. So what we've been looking at, right, is this symmetrical triangle, which has been playing out since, let's see, literally the start of December, right? So we had basically the price contracting here in this pattern. We've now done the third test to the upside, technically the fourth test to this trend line, right? And we're rejecting. Now, I don't know if you guys watch Blockchain Backer, shout out Blockchain Backer. If you guys haven't been watching Blockchain Backer, what are you doing with your life? Go and watch that channel. That is an important channel to watch. You gotta be subscribed to that guy. But anyways, I'm gonna break it down in this video, so just keep watching. But so basically, we've now done our fourth test to the upside. You can see the 3 times we've tested this trend line down here, technically 4 times too, but basically we've been bouncing in this uptrend. Everyone's been getting super bearish here. You've been seeing the bearish narratives here right at the bottoms. That's classic. That's how they manipulate the news. You know what it is. You already know the I'm not going to go too deep into that, but anyways, we're in this range, right, where the most major level that we've been testing is around 36. That's the 702 of the full Fibonacci extension. If you don't know what that means, don't worry. It's a little complicated, but it's not that complicated. Really, it's just a main level on the chart that we're looking for to break above to get up into these higher ranges up here in the multiples. But basically, we've done this pullback. And within Blockchain Backer's fractal, this is the last flush before everything starts taking the next leg up. So somewhere down in this range, we have a couple levels of support, which we can look at, which would be really key, right? So if you look at the VPVR, which basically just shows you volume on a flat line across the candles, it's honestly a little complicated, but it basically shows you high volume levels on the chart, right? So down here, you can see where it's spiking. I can even draw in, right? So you can see this chart a little better, right? See that? So basically, we're spiking around here at 215. We're spiking around here at 223, right? So those are our levels of support that we're looking for to catch in order to basically bounce to the upside. That's where these whales are sitting, waiting to catch the price. And so if you look at the triangle, right, I can extend these out a little bit so you can see it a little better. Here, I'll just draw the whole thing and watch. Right, this is how we find these patterns. Sloping levels of resistance with multiple touches on a trend line. So, right, this is a symmetrical triangle. We could see something like this where we pull back, maybe have one final fast wick down to the bottom, then we just pop right back up, 702, breakout, 786, and we're gone. But I drew that pretty drawn out. Honestly, it could happen much faster within just a couple of days here. Something like this. But yeah, so somewhere down in this range, 212, 215 today is the 7th of January. If we push down into that level, that's where we want to catch it and send her. And so if you want to see the target off this triangle, let me draw it in here. Basically, if we're expecting a breakout somewhere around here, it could be even here on the 14th, just because there's a little bit of confluence there, right? Our target off that triangle would be around $3.40, which happens to be the old all-time high, which happens to be this level of resistance up here, which we have a large gap to. So that's really my next target, right? $3.40. We're looking for all-time highs here off this breakout, which would get things really, really hot in the market. I'm sure you would see a lot of people FOMOing in at that level, but also a lot of people taking exits. So we'll probably see some type of consolidation pattern that happens up here before we really go, because the market is going to have to smooth itself out here off basically sell orders just being triggered. But I wonder if there's buy orders honestly sitting above all-time high where it's going to tap and it's just going to send it. So we'll have to see once we get up there, but there's definitely sell orders at all-time high, so I would expect some type of volatility there. But I had to put this video out for you guys. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and put the post notification bell on so that you can stay updated with the channel. And if you could leave a comment down below, giving me some feedback on the channel and basically telling me what else you would like to see in these videos, that would help out so much and I would really appreciate it. I'm going to try to get the frequency of these videos up a little bit for you guys now that the market's really heating up again. I know it was a long consolidation. It is what it is. That's what happens in crypto. If you're new here, it's something that you're going to have to expect. It really teaches you patience. But I appreciate all the love on the videos and the subs coming in. I see you guys, but that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time.